Hi friends, I'm happy to see you on my channel again, and today we are drawing a goldfish. As there will be some overlapping parts in this drawing, I will start with my pencil and go on with my marker later. We will start with very simple oval shape, almost like a circle. And when you are happy with the oval, we can start drawing fins. We will find the very top of the oval, and from this point we will draw a very short line going down. And from this point we are going to draw one curve going up and down. And to finish this upper fin, we will just connect this point with the body. Now we are going to draw a smaller fin on the bottom of the body. Curving up. Then one short line going inwards. And add one more curve to finish the fin. We are done with our overlapping parts and we can go on drawing with our marker. Let's trace all the pencil lines. And let's erase all the lines that we don't need. Now we can draw the face, one big circle for the eye, one more circle inside, and the smallest circle for the highlight. And I will fill the space in. Another eye will be seen only partly, so we will draw just a part of the sphere and one more inside. We will leave some highlight as well and fill the space in. Let's add a friendly smile. And we can separate face from the body by adding two more curves. Here and on the bottom. Okay, now we have one more fin. We will see only part of it as it's behind the body. And now we can add the tail. Start with the upper part, one curve going up. And one more curve going down, and it's gonna be a little bit shorter than upper one. Now let's mark the spot where these two parts of the tail meet. Let's say here, and from here we are going to draw two curves again, one going up and one down, and finishing the tail with two more curves. The main part is done. Now we will just add a couple of details, like stripes on fins and on tail, and some scales. If you want, you can add also bubbles to show that our fish is swimming underwater. Now let's get to the coloring, and when we are done, we can get creative with our cute little fish. Okay guys, we are done drawing our goldfish. And the next step would be to create your own version of this goldfish. For example, you can play with her emotions. Here she is very friendly and smiling, but you can have fun and draw a suspicious goldfish or a sleepy one. Stay creative, have fun drawing, and hope to see you later. Bye bye!